Hello and welcome back to our Cloud Age series. I'm Vera and today we'll be talking about all the newest, exciting projects that Alibaba Cloud has gotten underway. Things are cooking up in the kitchen. Well, first, let's take a look at the business and how it's been performing. Alibaba Group has been experiencing a slower growth rates in its core e-commerce operations, but a new opportunity has just arisen within its 25 markets, with around $158 billion annually. In June of 2021, Alibaba Group has been announced a $1 billion investment into Alibaba Cloud, which would help the brand continue developing as it seeks stronger partnerships outside of China, where competition is intensifying. While growing the business is important, Alibaba Cloud at its core believes in fostering and nurturing some of the great ideas that impact humanity. And that's why Alibaba Cloud presented Asia Forward Startup Day 2022, a day where participants exchanged ideas to tackle some of the most challenging problems in the region through technology. Good news for Singaporean business owners. Alibaba Cloud has launched the Cloud Computer for Enterprise, which means your path to managing your business, employees, and everyone else effectively just got a lot easier. Speaking of spending, do you wish to spend less on gas for a car? Part of them shift to electronic vehicles in order to save individual costs, and of course, apart from protecting the environment. Alibaba and SAIC Venture have started their mass production on its first electronic vehicles, and are well positioned to rival the competitors within the country. There's a lot of competition in the cloud market. But what sets the competition apart is the recognition for great technology. Recently, Alibaba Cloud has been named a leader in public cloud container platform by the Forest Wave Public Cloud Container Platform Q1 2022, among the 8 most significant players evaluated. The name of the game this year has been Emerging Tech and Emerging Markets. Stay tuned to our Cloud Age series and we will delve deeper into these words and keep you informed. This is Vera and we will see you soon in the next episode.